If you own a computer, you've undoubtedly heard a lot about computer viruses. As obvious of a concept that a computer virus is, there are a lot of misconceptions about them. In order to avoid the problems that viruses can cause, it helps to know a little bit about them. First, what is a computer virus? A computer virus is a program that can copy itself and infect a computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. A computer virus has two major characteristics: the ability to replicate itself and the ability to attach itself to another computer file. How do I know if I've been infected with a computer virus? There are many different symptoms of a virus-infected computer. A few telltale signs that your computer may have a virus include slow response times, random hard drive crashes, and extensive pop-up ads. How can I protect myself from a computer virus? Be sure to download programs only from reputable websites. Install a quality firewall program. Do not open suspicious emails or attachments. And most importantly, make sure you have a good antivirus program installed on your computer. If you use common sense and follow the above advice, you should be able to navigate the internet relatively trouble-free. Be sure to read our independent antivirus reviews at www.antivirusware.com.